Hey people, Gary here, my Digi affiliate, and today we're going to continue with our Clickbank series. Alright, using my lead gen secrets, of course. And we're going to continue on what we're doing here. Now, if you don't know what my lead gen secrets is, it's a program in which you can email 100 leads every single day unless you get a sale, an affiliate sale on it. And then you start getting 200 leads every single day. And they very interested in making money online. So we're gonna use Clickbank to make that happen. Now, if you don't know about Clickbank, I don't know what to tell you. Everybody know about Clickbank. Okay. All right. Very easy to get into. Anybody can get in it. Okay. Let's continue on here. So let's see. I did not get a sale. Let's refresh this page here to make sure. Yeah, I did not get a sale. All right. So we're gonna go to the marketplace here. Yeah, straight to the marketplace. We want e-business, e-marketing. We're gonna use this product here. This is the one we've been using lately, and I've been getting some success with it. So we're gonna continue on with it. Now we need to find us a email swipe. Let's look at the short ads real. Ads. Oops. All right, you know what? We're just gonna hold up. I meant to click on short ads. I was just checking stuff out. I'm sorry about that. Let's up to 9. Let's pit 950. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna kind of write our own email. Let's log in here. Wrong account. Sorry about that. Here. So we're gonna go to the mailing system. I'm gonna select everybody. Let's figure out a title here. Let's do this. What social media job is right for you? Wow, right? Don't know you paid to post it. Yes. These are things that you so let's better. Okay, let's pick it. Make this book. All right, so this is what we're gonna do here. Pretty much got the pretty much got our link already. So we're just gonna hit perfect timing. Perfect timing does it sends the email right around the time that people want to check them. So we're gonna wrote a pretty decent one here, I think. All right, so we're gonna sorry about that. I'm just clear this up a little bit. That looks good. All right. So let's look at the email. Looks really solid. Love it. I'm gonna hit this, make sure it works. It works. All right, guys, we good. That's all there is to it, guys. Did I talk about perfect timing? Okay. Basically, you send an email. It shows up in the system around the time people send their emails, basically. And boom. And you're pretty much done right there. See how fast that was? Now, if you got multiple accounts, not quite done yet, but just click up here, click on account, make another tab here, right? We go log out on this account right here, then you log in on your next account. All right. The reason we do it like this, so you can just copy and paste. Not a big deal, you know what I mean? So we go here, come here. I think I'm gonna just start writing all of them. This particular email I wrote here sounds pretty good to me. Yeah, it'll make me interested to see. And it's right talking about the subject line. Okay, so anyway, here the affiliate link I meant to say. Yeah, it's talking about the affiliate link kind of directly. So it feels like you going to the right affiliate link when you click on it after reading this email. You know what I mean? So anyway, we good with that. Email here. I changed it to 2, right? I'm just checking. Okay. I'm multitasking, so I'm forgetting that I'm doing certain things. Sorry about that. For some reason, my mind kind of blank right now. I believe because it's 5 o'clock in the morning, and for some reason lately I just been tired. All right, so after that one, you want to do it again if you got more accounts. You only got 2 accounts, you done. You got another account, you log out again. You go to that next account. So here's go account 3. Log into account 3 here. We go to the mailing system. By the way, if you sign in on my link, right, for My Lead Gen Secrets, make sure not to get your email swipes. Don't get these email swipes. You do not need them. We're using Clickbank email swipes, and there's a bunch of email swipes. You could even write your own email swipes. All right. So there's plenty of reasons you don't need to get that. The thing is, I'll make more money if you do get them, but you don't need them. You straight up don't need these email swipes. So that's why I don't want y'all to get them. So if you sign in under me, don't get the email swipes. That's all I'm trying to say. All right, so we're gonna come here. We're gonna do that. That's 10,000 people. That's a good size. Well, here's the thing, guys. I want to make sure this crystal clear. This is 10,000 people, right, that are interested in making money. But remember, these 10,000 people are very cold. They're very cold leads. They have no idea who you are, what the offer is. Like, they have no idea. And they more than likely getting more than one email from just you. They probably getting multiple emails. So you gotta make you stand out, be unique. And that's the reason why you want to kind of write your own emails a little bit. All right. So people can at least change the subject to be a little different. You know what I mean? Subjects look a little different. They be like, I ain't seen this subject before. I'm gonna check it out. You know what I mean? So yeah, you want to do stuff like that. All right, guys. That's it right there. I believe we are done, right? Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can keep up with the next video. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.